Okay. Therefore, if flight is to occur in birds, it involves the wings being moved up and the wings being moved down. Where the wings are moved up, that is what we are calling the up stroke. Where the wings are moved down, that is what we call the down stroke. I want to emphasize that when there are two sets of muscles, one set contracts and another one relaxes. But the set playing the biggest role is the one that contracts. The pectoralis minor is also called the elevator, while the pectoralis major is the depressor. Meaning when the pectoralis minor or elevator contracts, the wings will move up, elevate. While when the pectoralis major or depressor contract, the wings will be moved down. We now move to the mechanism of flapping in birds, which involves downstroke and upstroke. During upstroke, what happens? The pectoralis minor muscles contract. Remember, minor and the elevator. The pectoralis minor muscles contract, while the pectoralis major or depressor muscles relax. What follows? The flight feathers, the quill feathers, the flight feathers then open. They open up. They open to allow air through them, such that less resistance is there. Now, due to a reduction in air resistance, it causes the wing to move up. Pectoralis major, contract. Pectoralis minor, relax. The feathers open up to reduce air resistance, causing the wings to move up. How about during downstroke? We can see the pectoralis minor and major. How about during downstroke? During downstroke, the pectoralis major or the depressor contract. Pectoralis major muscles contract, while the pectoralis minor muscles relax. Remember, they are antagonistic. The flight feathers now overlap. Remember, in upstroke they opened up. Now they overlap. When they overlap, they become airtight. In other words, they don't allow air to move within them. What follows? The wings then move down and backward. They move down and backward. Now, when they move down and backward, it brings less resistance, enabling the bird to move up and forward. In summary, flight in birds using active flight or flapping, upstroke, pectoralis minor muscles contract, pectoralis major muscles relax, the feathers open up so that air passes through them, creating less air resistance, raising the wings upwards. While during downstroke, the reverse, pectoralis major or depressor contract, pectoralis minor relax. The feathers flight now overlap and they don't allow air to pass through. When that happens, the wings move down and backwards. The bird then moves up, gains height, and even moves forward. Remember, the pectoralis muscles that we are talking about are those that are attached onto the sternum. Remember, under the adaptations we said that birds have flight muscles attached on the keel of the sternum. That part, that upper part of the sternum that you see, is what we are calling the keel of the sternum. The keel of the sternum. Then above the keel of the sternum, there are those bones, one on the right, another on the left. Those bones that we generally call the humerus bone. Because being a skeleton, it means that it has other bones, since a skeleton is a framework of bones. So today, we have looked at flight in insects, direct and indirect. We have seen flight in birds, whereby in birds it is either by gliding, soaring, or flapping. We have seen that flapping occurs under upstroke and downstroke, just like we saw in insects. I want to leave another assignment for us to outline the similarities and differences between flight in birds and flight in insects. What are the similarities and what are the differences between flight in birds and flight in insects? Flight in birds and flight in insects. I want to end here, but remember to keep safe. We need all of you alive. COVID is real. Until we meet again. Bye-bye.